Hello, let's talk about what's activation in Houdini Solaris and I'll show you some tests I've done with it. Basically, to see what activation does, I'll start with what it works with and how stuff work in USD Solaris. Basically, let's say we have brought 4 different packages. Oh, Tommy 1, Tommy 2, light, and other light. If your packages are activated, by the way, their activation is here, this yellow turn on, turn off button. Basically, if everything is activated, the cat walks to a kitchen and sees like, okay, here's a package. He looks into it. He sees some tasty, delicious stuff. He sniffs other package, opens it, sniffs, checks what's inside. And then third package, opens it, checks it, etc. And for this final package, of course, we have to open it, we have to look inside, what's there, how it smells, etc. But if we deactivate a package, like Tommy, one package is deactivated, what happens now? Still, you got 4 packages to a kitchen. And now, first package is deactivated. So cats come there, he sees package, he's like, it smells wrong. He sees package, he admits that package is there, but he does not open, he does not check it, he does not like look inside what's inside that package. And second package, okay, it's active, we open it, we check. Third package, it's active, we open it, we sniff inside, we check it, and same with final package, we check it, we open it, we sniff inside it. So that's how it works. Basically, it's a good way to optimize your stuff. If you have some stuff related one another, but you don't want to waste resources of your machine, just deactivate it. I can also compare it to the groups or attributes in SOPs, where each item or geometry is kind of like a group or attribute. You can have a lot of them while you don't need them, but your scene would be better off without them. And at the same time, if you logically think and you would not delete attribute or group that you need later on. Very good thing for optimization. So, according to documentation, you can deactivate stuff with 2 nodes. Prune, as I showed before, and configure layer, according to documentation. But you can't do it with configure layer. I suspect in previous version you could do it, but they changed it and forgot to change documentation. But you can use configure primitive, and it does it pretty well. Basically, you add configure primitive and you add what you're working with. You turn on activation control, and blooms, it's deactivated. Another way is overrides. Basically, you have this tab, right? And you can deactivate it here, but it does not change the scene. To change the scene, you have to add node. And how do you do that? Node based on this menu, you click on Manage Viewport Override, create inline USD node from Viewport Overrides. Boom. And it automatically creates a tiny script that basically does what you changed in this window. And just for completion, you can also do it with short Python script. Now to small tests I've done here. Basically what's not breaking activation. Okay, I have a sphere, and this sphere is animated. Small, simple animation. I also have a Tommy, and I transfer the sphere's animation to Tommy. And basically, what this align constraint does, how this animation transfer works here, and why it works after we deactivate our sphere. Basically, at this point, we're not copying animation and we're not streaming this animation. This animation got kind of baked to Tommy. So basically, at this point, when we deactivate sphere, it's not a problem because Tommy already got this animation. Now another small test where I have Tommy, sphere, sphere, and I've created a collection that contains only first or sphere 3. Only one sphere in this collection. I added a couple of lights. As you see, different colors, and for this I'd like to turn sepia. And now I've basically disabled influence of one. I disabled influence of one of the lights on the sphere, and sphere is gone, but everything still works. So activation and collections work quite fine together. So there's this other test. Okay, thanks for your attention. Bye.